Two-factor authentication not working on TaxSlayer Fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on TaxSlayer, don't panic. This issue is more common than you might think, especially during peak filing season. The surprising truth is, it's rarely a system failure. It's almost always something small on your end that can be fixed in minutes. Let's start with the most frequent cause, your device's clock. Two-factor authentication codes are time-based. If your phone's clock isn't perfectly synced, the codes from your authenticator app won't match what TaxSlayer expects. To fix it, go to your phone's date and time settings, enable set time automatically, and make sure your time zone is correct. Then open your authenticator app and look for time correction for codes or sync now. Next, check for updates. Outdated apps can cause it to fail. Go to your app store and update both the TaxSlayer app and your authenticator app to the latest versions. If you're using text messages for phone but not receiving the code, try toggling airplane mode for a few seconds, restarting your phone, or switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data. Poor carrier connectivity or spam filters can block those texts. If you've switched phones or deleted your authenticator app, the old setup won't work anymore. On the TaxSlayer login page, click Can't Access Two-Factor Authentication and follow the instructions to verify your identity. Once confirmed, you can re-enable on your new device. One last pro tip: always store your backup recovery codes in a safe place. Are your emergency key if your authentication method fails. So if your two-factor authentication isn't working on TaxSlayer, sync your device time, update your apps, check your phone network, and reset if needed. With these easy steps, you'll be back in your account and ready to file securely in no time.